Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must begin by choosing one niche and one promise. This focuses growth. Once chosen, make a 3-5-second visual hook that shows benefit. People decide in a heartbeat. You will batch 10 ideas, film them back to back, and edit clips to 15-30 seconds. Make sure to plan captions and 2 hashtag groups, niche and trend. Record at least 7 clips before posting, so you can post daily and iterate fast. This is how momentum starts. Once done with basic content, optimize every clip for the algorithm and retention. Trim to 15-30 seconds and open on a face or clear result within 0 to 3 seconds so viewers stay. Make or reuse a sound signature. This helps repeat viewers and remixing. Add readable captions, punchy cuts, and a single call to action in the last 3 seconds. Save, follow, or link in bio. Track retention and replace. You move to monetization by choosing one primary revenue path. Affiliate links, tipping, creator fund, or your own dollar product and funneling viewers there. Once you have consistent view patterns, add a landing page and capture email with 1 or 2 fields for higher lifetime value. Make sure to track earnings and forms like $1,099 if applicable. If growth stalls, test 2 new hooks, change upload times, and review retention metrics. That troubleshooting loop fixes most plateaus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.